Montana, from the South Bronx.
I saw that.
Alkaline yard. Hold on, Rasta, hold on. Hold on. There I sit down at Alkaline gate. There I go on there that.
Yeah.
And there you're going to suit up Alkaline.
Yeah, me I tell her.
You sell white, not cover the Forbes. Wanna be the top dog, knock off the boss.
Oh no, I mean I say the man can represent for RyanmediaTV, Baddest TV. Yeah, that Ryan Media, Bono.
Montana, from the South Bronx.
I saw that.
Alright, yes, so welcome again to all the viewers who are viewing this one. Special big up to all our subscribers. Morning, evening, or night. Whenever you see this one as usual. And now this one, viewers, trust me, a lot of great things are going in a dancehall. And we can't go on like say we don't see it or not acknowledge this, viewers. Busy signal. I suppose to the first me ever see a dancehall or reggae artist work at NBA halftime show. Yeah, the NBA halftime show might not be as big as a Super Bowl, but trust me, viewers, this game that was aired as well between Boston Celtics and Oklahoma, two big sides. These teams are both sitting first and second as we're speaking right now. And for no say, yo, busy signal. I wave the Jamaican flag high. I wave the Caribbean flag high. And dancehall and reggae music, it might wave the banner the eye to viewers. And this can open doors for some of the younger artists them to make them know say I want to know. Promoting and not care how big you be in the business. You're never too big for promote a song or trying to sell diamond, gold or platinum. Your song not really reach nowhere yet. And we see where Busy Signal to me him kinda promote the happy birthday song to the fullest. Yeah, viewers, to me feel like Busy Signal really I do that and want the people them know say, yeah man, him sing this. Watch out for this and all of them big song. Yeah man, I the same me this and him giving in the dancehall flavor. Touch out in on me, black and yo, me nah lie. Busy Signal shell down the Barclays Centre viewers and subscribers. It's a good look for dancehall as me say. Internationally, uno know it say. Them thing are rarely happen. Worse as a reggae artist. Yeah, so I have a big up Busy Signal pan that. And you don't know, this can open the door for a lot more upcoming artists who want promote them song or promote them brand pan a international level. And as me touch the topic about international level viewers, Masicka has just dropped his remix for Whites with French Montana, and trust me, we have to talk about that big bad remix of viewers. And before we go in at this door, I see the article here that says Squash has been released from prison. Recently, he was held in Florida with some guns in a vehicle, and when you don't know it go right now, when they get all in a Trump time, you have to threat. But it look like say, yo, Squash, unlike Jamaica, in the state where Squash get wall with the gun, them viewers, it's a gun state and illegal if you carry around gun in a them country there. But you have to be a resident of the country. So as me say, for now, don't know how truth it be, but we're going to follow it up. But Squash has been released. But I just that update I me see, but if me see any further update, we have to carry it to now and make you know what is going on. But for now, yeah, this is the latest that I'm seeing about Mr. Whitaker, aka Squash the 6 Bars. And differently, me have that video here, the same video you see him kick off the vlog with one Alkaline farmer manager. I tell you, oh, him did forgo unalive Alkaline in him house. And viewers, me have that video there for share with you know. But as me that talk about Masicka, yo, the remix with French Montana, the Whites remix. Viewers, you see the style that a Masicka give in the remix as in, you don't know, more while you do over remix, you do the same lines as your tune, but Masicka give you extra line in that tune, extra verse to be exact, viewers. And trust me, the thing mad. Me nah go around the thing. Me nah go say it better than the original. But you know, the video, everything, connect, clean. Yo, come like it's a part 2 of Whites again. Differently. The thing is like a movie me I watch. Yo, the crocodile put in a different flavor, another one and a different style. And I love that one. Jano, the youth creativity different on another level. And me I look out for that one I go far, you know. Yeah, man, even if I have to squeeze in on the billboard chart one of them time there. Yeah, cause that tune burn up the place right now. Me nah go say, yo, it a go bigger than Taliban's or any comparison. But it remind me of when a bad man sang around the ground. Yeah, man, and Whites right now. Whites around the ground. And see him get the collab there, or see him get the remix there with push that one across more borders and boundaries. Say, open up some more ears, Joe, man. Bust that one in here, you see me? Yeah, man, that one and the normal, man, viewers and subscribers. Big up the whole production team and put that one here together, man. Yeah, man, the thing mad.
Bitches and my type of chase. Sick, you know my lifestyle, I'm yes. Look, wicked on the Alpine tablets.
I see them at Alkaline gate. They are going to the
Yeah.
And they are going to shoot up Alkaline.
Yeah, me I tell her.
And the son called right.
Because a bugger, I want the thing that go on, man. I want the thing, man, get beat. I want every road manager, them beat him up. Big wicked.
Oh, right.
Yeah, man. I want to feel them old auntie get lick out, man.
Fresh
So
drop.
we signed a contract, but it was not an extensive contract. So we basically said, all right, you know what we're going to do? We're going to sign this contract for 5 years, and then after a year, we see what we did, and we're going to sign the real contract.
Right.
It was mine. It's because, to be honest with you, there was no way me did believe that this thing would work in a 1 year. Me know it move fast, but nobody could have told me said this would. When we really start pushing at 2013, by 2014, this would be the boss. We never think it happened so fast. You understand? So, what the contract that I signed, the issue was there was no exit clause in the contract. It didn't have an exit clause. So when we met with the lawyers, them say, yo, this will go hard to carry in a court, you know, whatever. We could have carried it to court, we could have fight it, but me have been 100% honest with you. It means that people that get hurt. I never did this, so. I never did have anything. You see what I say? Yeah. Me just decide, say, you know what, go on? That contract ran its course up until 2018. So Alkaline on paper was signed to me until 2018.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So, as much as we could have gone in a court and Army and him could have war it out because a whole man get hurt. People not even know that part.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them man get hurt, man. Whole heap of people get hurt. Get what I say? And then me just decide, say, how you, somebody asked me how me bounce back from this. To be honest, after everything going in the country,
Fresh drop.
Get hurt. You mean that man feelings hurt, that man care right now.
Man get beat up, lick out teeth, man, gun draw, bag of thing, yo, police used to sleep on me at one point, you know.
Whoa. So you never get beat up though?
You're mad, man.
No, I have to ask you, I'm just playing the road about doing it.
May I tell you something where a few people know this. Me sit down at that youth with a gun in my lap, yard, you know. And my son make me not walk in that yard and shoot it up in the block.
That's how far you...
Me ask me where you there, you know, daddy. And the first me I thought this publicly, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
And the son called right.
Because a bugger, I want if a thing did go on, man. I want if a thing man get beat. I want every road manager them beat him up big wicked.
Oh. Right.
I want if a back and forth did go on, see I the interview me bugger thing. I never just quiet so after a while. And then realize,
What happened to you?
Yeah.
Just see you very unfair. You would never let anyone discuss about cartel.
Yeah.
No, hold on. Nobody never come and tell us the cartel beat them up. Nobody never come here come that, you know, if somebody have a cartel story, experience this.
Welcome.
But we are talking to Dwayne Carbon Morris. I tell you about when we go through as Alkaline manager and when the whole thing fell apart.
Yeah.
But we hear the story.
Yeah. So after me realize, say, yo, you see this because I'm not this person. I know how to do this. I go back a country. Go to mother yard, man. Go bill. Go to mother yard. It's about the March or February, I don't remember. Go to mother yard a country. And we just say, yo, I want. We just a check.
Fresh drop.
And then somebody call me on Friday night and say, whether you watch and see ER or whatever. Yeah, I said, what? Why? And say, brother, the artist are saying I rob him. Because I love this man. I love it, you know. And then I saw me end up coming back to Kingston to come do interview for just in the end because I don't want that over my head.
Yeah.
And those are the only 2 interviews I agreed to. Everybody I tried to interview me. But me just want to love this, to live my life, it happened, move on. You never ask him for no money, you never call him, nothing.
One time, in our shell, she's talking, and we are representing for the baddest flagger.